In this container we have our chicken, we have some wings, some thighs, some drumsticks, and we clean these up nicely. We remove all the excess fat and feathers and remove the little yellow collagen layer that's usually here. So now we're going to go in with our seasoning. First I'm going to go in with some mustard. We use the mustard as a binder. Just going to kind of marinate the meat with the mustard. Go in with some black pepper. Then we're going to go in with some paprika, some all-purpose seasoning, some cayenne pepper. Go hit it with some onion powder. A little bit of chicken bouillon. And lastly, some crushed pimento berries. Gently massage seasoning into our meat. Get this seasoning up underneath the skin. There you have it, guys, seasoned to perfection. Cover this up with a piece of plastic wrap and let it kind of marinate. Let it marinate for about half an hour. Okay, let's go ahead and make the dredge for our chicken. So I'm going to add roughly about 2 cups of flour. I think I may add a little bit more just to be on the safe side. Add half a cup more. And I'm going to add about roughly a teaspoon of baking powder. All right, with the same seasoning that we use to season our chicken, we're going to go in. We're going to use some paprika, some onion powder, some all-purpose seasoning, a little bit of this chicken seasoning, of course some cayenne pepper. We're just going to give this a quick mix. Ready to dredge our chicken. So I get my rack here. Just gonna put this right here. Right, I'm gonna bring my pan of chicken over. Take off our saran wrap. All right, so we're gonna add some water in here because we're gonna get our chicken. We're gonna put it in the flour, then we're gonna dip it in water. And we put it back in our dredge, and then we put it on the rack. Grab our chicken, we just drop it in here, squeeze it tightly. We just kind of dust them off. drop it in the water. Right? We'll go back into the flour. Squeeze it tightly. Make sure the flour coats all the surface. And just kind of dust off the excess. Like that. And we just gently put it on our rack here. I'm going to repeat this for all our meat. We go in again, like this. Squeeze. Dust off the excess flour. Drop it in our water. Take out. Back in our dredge. Dust off the excess flour. We just lay it on our rack. Grab this thigh. Again. Just dredge it with the flour. Squeeze tightly. Go into our water. And from the water we go back into our flour. We just add our flour and squeeze tightly.